Welcome to NZ Lifestyle. There are some tips about small gardening, so let's start. 1. Container gardening. Elevate your gardening game with container gardening and enjoy the benefits of versatility, mobility, and accessibility. Whether you have a tiny balcony or a spacious patio, container gardening allows you to cultivate a lush oasis anywhere. Experience the joy of growing your own herbs, vegetables, and flowers, all within arm's reach, with container gardening. Container gardening offers a low-maintenance solution for busy individuals, providing the opportunity to cultivate greenery and beauty without the need for a large outdoor space. 2. Vertical garden. Unlock the potential of vertical gardening and reap the benefits of maximizing your space utilization. From enhancing air quality to reducing urban heat island effects, vertical gardens contribute to a healthier environment. Embrace the aesthetic appeal of vertical greenery, adding visual interest and beauty to any indoor or outdoor space. With vertical gardens, you can cultivate a diverse array of plants, herbs, and even vegetables, all while conserving precious ground space. 3. Herb garden designs. Experience the convenience and freshness of herb gardening right at your fingertips. Cultivating an herb garden offers a sustainable solution for adding flavor and nutrition to your meals. Enjoy the satisfaction of harvesting herbs just when you need them, enhancing culinary creations with vibrant, homegrown ingredients. Beyond culinary delights, herb gardens also attract beneficial insects, fostering biodiversity and a healthy ecosystem in your backyard. 4. Miniature fairy garden. Transform your small garden into a whimsical wonderland with miniature fairy gardens, offering a delightful escape from the ordinary. These pint-sized landscapes add charm and personality to compact outdoor spaces, infusing them with magic and imagination. Create a magical oasis filled with tiny plants, charming accessories, and delightful fairy figurines. Whether nestled in a corner or displayed prominently, these miniature gardens spark joy and ignite the imagination. 5. Balcony garden. Elevate your balcony into a lush urban oasis with our inspiring balcony garden ideas. From vertical planters to cozy seating arrangements, discover creative ways to maximize your outdoor space. Embrace the beauty of container gardening and transform your balcony into a green sanctuary filled with blooming flowers and fresh herbs. Whether you seek a tranquil retreat or a vibrant social hub, let our balcony garden inspiration guide you towards creating the perfect outdoor escape. 6. Japanese Zen garden. Immerse yourself in the serene simplicity of Japanese Zen gardens, where tranquility meets timeless elegance. Embrace minimalist design principles to create a harmonious landscape of carefully placed rocks, raked gravel, and pruned greenery. Cultivate a sense of mindfulness and contemplation as you engage with the symbolic elements of nature, fostering inner peace and clarity. Let the soothing ambience of a Japanese Zen garden transport you to a place of calm and serenity amidst the chaos of everyday life. 7. Succulents and cacti arrangement. Explore the beauty and versatility of succulents and cacti with our innovative arrangement ideas. Mix and match a variety of shapes, sizes, and textures to create visually striking displays that require minimal maintenance. Embrace modern design aesthetics by incorporating geometric containers and minimalist decor to complement the natural beauty of these desert plants. Whether indoors or outdoors, let your creativity flourish as you design captivating succulent and cacti arrangements that add a touch of sophistication to any space. 9. Seasonal container gardening. Experience the ever-changing beauty of nature with our seasonal container gardening ideas. From vibrant spring blooms to cozy fall foliage, discover how to adapt your containers to each season's unique palette. Embrace the excitement of planting and refreshing your containers as the seasons shift, infusing your space with fresh colors and textures year-round. With our guidance, you'll learn how to create dynamic and eye-catching displays that reflect the spirit of each season in your garden. 10. Garden furniture and structures. Elevate your outdoor space with DIY garden furniture and structures projects. From rustic benches to elegant arbors, learn how to craft custom pieces that add charm and functionality to your garden. Embrace the satisfaction of building your own furniture and structures, tailored to fit your style and space perfectly. Unleash your creativity and customize your garden oasis with unique furniture and structures that reflect your personality, whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a novice crafter. Transform your outdoor space into a haven of relaxation and beauty with handcrafted furniture and structures that stand the test of time. Small garden ideas offer boundless opportunities to create enchanting outdoor spaces, regardless of size limitations. With thoughtful planning and creative design, even the tiniest of gardens can become vibrant havens of beauty and tranquility. Embrace the challenge of maximizing space efficiency while expressing your unique style and preferences. If you like my videos, please subscribe and like my videos. Thank you.